What is going on, everyone? Jordan Anderson here, and today we're going to show you how to add your Checkout Anywhere embed to your card website. If you're not familiar with Card is a super simple website builder, super mobile optimized. I've got my little link in bio test site here ready to go. So the first step we want to do is we want to go to SamCart. We want to go to our products tab, and today we're going to use the 5-day sales mastermind as our test product. Once we're here, we're going to go up to the Checkout Anywhere tab. We're going to click on Embed, and then we're going to copy that embed code. Now let's go over to our card website. We've got everything kind of laid out here. I want to add my checkout form right below this email form. So I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to go down to Embed, Add Embed Code. I want to make sure I have code selected. You can give this a title, so call it like, SamCart Checkout. I want it inline, not hidden. I want it inline, and then I'm going to take the code right here and paste it in. You can choose to defer this if you want to, maybe improve your loading speeds. I'm going to leave it as is, click done, and that is really it. So I can hit save here. I can publish this site, and let's go view the site. We've got our link in bio here. We got our, download. I can do an email form here, and then right below here I've got my SamCart Checkout Anywhere form ready to go. I can do order bumps. I can pay with Stripe Link, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and I am ready to go. And it's that simple. And that's it. Oh, and if I wanted to switch over real quick just to show you the mobile version, got it here on mobile. It would show up right there. Here's what it looks like on mobile. Looks good, everything's responsive, looking great, ready to go, ready to start taking some sales. So my name is Jordan Anderson. If you guys have any questions about how to add this to your card website, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one.